Can epoxy resin withstand heat? Have you ever wondered how well epoxy resin holds up against heat, especially when it comes to boat hull and deck maintenance? Let's take a closer look at this important topic. Epoxy resin is a popular choice in marine applications, and one of its standout features is its ability to withstand heat better than many other resins, like polyester. This is particularly beneficial for boat owners, as parts of the hull or deck can get quite warm when exposed to sunlight or high temperatures. So, what does that mean for you? Generally, epoxy resin can handle temperatures up to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius without losing its strength or becoming soft. This is a significant advantage when you consider that polyester resin might start to degrade at lower temperatures. If you are working on repairs or maintenance, knowing that epoxy resin can endure higher heat levels gives you peace of mind. When applying epoxy resin, the best working temperature is between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If you stray too far from this range, the curing process can become unpredictable. However, once the epoxy has fully cured, it can handle much higher temperatures than those ideal for application. For those looking for even more heat resistance, there are specialized high-temperature epoxy formulations available. Some of these may requiring a heat post-cure process to achieve their full potential. These high-heat epoxies are often used in demanding situations, like fiberglass or carbon fiber layups, where heat exposure is a common concern. In practical terms, using epoxy resin for your boat means less worry about warping, cracking, or losing adhesion when the heat is on. This is especially important for areas near engines or exhaust systems, where heat exposure is frequent. Additionally, while ultraviolet resistance is a factor to consider in marine environments, newer formulations with ultraviolet shields are being developed to help protect the resin from sun damage. In summary, epoxy resin is a solid choice for boat, hull, and deck maintenance due to its superior heat resistance compared to other resins. Whether you are repairing a small area or undertaking a larger project, epoxy resin can provide the durability and strength you need to keep your boat in great shape.